morning everyone, myself M. Srivalli in 9th standard from Vegas High School. Today we have chosen the main theme as technology and toys and the sub-theme as health, hygiene and cleanliness. And our topic is about smart dump box, that is also known as segregator. And the objective of our topic is to segregate the dry and wet waste in the garbage and also rupee notes and the coins in the piggy bank. Social waste management is a worldwide phenomenon. Improper management of solid waste causes hazards to inhabitants. It is a challenge all over the world for human beings. The problem of solid waste management is also prevailing in the urban environment. The traditional way of manually monitoring the waste in bins is complex, cumbersome process and utilizes more human effort, time and cost, which is not compatible with the present day technologies in any way. This model proposes an advanced method in which waste management is automated. To give a brief description of the project, we need cardboard, DC motor, chart paper, switch, wires for connecting, fan and battery. Take a cardboard and make a partition inside the dry and wet waste. Make a slider on the top of the partition. Place the fan inside the dry partition and connect it with the help of the battery. Now make one opening on the top to put the waste. Also make two openings for two partitions so that we can collect the waste separately. The process involved here is mainly based on the weight of the waste. We need to on the switch and put out the dry waste. It will be pushed by the fan present inside the model, and the wet waste will be thrown into the wet partition as it definitely has some weight. So let's look at the practical look. So switch on the fan. So let's look at this. This is the wet waste. This is the dry waste. It has worked in garbage. So let's look at the piggy bank, that is notes and coins. On the fan. So let's look at this coin, note. So this process is used in both different ways, that is piggy bank and garbage. So let's see for both together. On the fan. So this process is worked for both garbage and piggy bank. So the proposed system would be able to automate the solid waste monitoring process and management of the overall collection process. In addition, we also perform microbial analysis from the municipal solid waste. Therefore, to lead a sanitary lifestyle, we perform disposing the waste materials in an efficient and pathogenic-free method is a must. Therefore, the current finding shows that the waste needs to be monitored in an efficient way using modern controllers and needs to be disposed on the time, which will bring a green and friendly environment. Also, the same concept can be used for dump box, that is piggy bank, where the children can save their money separately, that is coins and rupee notes. Our project is low budget and the expected outcome of our project is that our automated machine should segregate the waste automatically and easily by consuming very less time as they manually separate themselves and lessens the work of GHMC. Thank you.